Okay, let's get started with the new unboxing video. This is Corkcicle, not a tumbler, like a cruiser. Yes, a cruiser, but this is only 30 size. Okay, it's not the 41 like stainless size. This is the if you buy the 40 on size, it's gonna be big. Okay, it's heavy, and I do not like too heavy, so I just want a little bit I mean like lighter. Okay, so I just bought. Definitely it's for my need, not for the hype. Okay, actually this is the second Corkcicle that I bought, but I did not have the unboxing video the first Corkcicle that I bought. So yeah, just it's okay lah. This is actually just for just for unboxing video, because you cannot claim if there is something happening. So yeah, actually this is quite big, yeah, the packaging, yeah, compared to the first time I bought. The packaging is not that kind of big, this size. It's like a half of it. And this is this one Corkcicle. Okay, my first Corkcicle, I leave it at my office, because I always drink with my Corkcicle bottle. But right now I will change that bottle into my this cruiser XL size. Corkcicle's name is XL size. Okay, the stainless size will be 40 or size, but on size, right? But right now this is 30 on size. It's not as that big as Stanley Cup, Stanley Cruiser. This is okay. Corkcicle Cold Cup XL 30 OIs Lava Lamp. That's the name that I bought. Okay, let's just open it. Why it's so difficult to me to open this? Actually, my first Corkcicle was, I mean, like pink neon. It's a very pink neon, and then it really stained it. I mean, like easier to stain, because when you like get your hands so dirty, it will stick on your bottle. So I mean, like you need to wipe it with the I mean wet tissue, but it really stained. That's the drawback of this Corkcicle. For me, the drawback, I bought that 600,000 rupiah. I bought that because it's only 16 size. Okay, this is the okay, and this one. Okay, this one. Okay, but they already bended. They already bended. The inside of this one already bended, because maybe they have the okay, let me just the straw. This is the straw. The straw is quiet. Which material is this? All of them, it's like, I mean, they are not using the plastic. They are in plastic. Oh, this seal it. This seal. Oh, no, they're not. Is this ceramic coated? Okay, this is the Corkcicle. You can Corkcicle, right? Okay, that's a good one, and I will show it to you. My Lava Lamp 30 size. This is so beautiful. The thing that I like about the Corkcicle, they're always fashionable, trendiest with the style, and that's the one that I like. This is not too big, and this is perfect for me. Cup holder ready, triple insulated easy grip handle, because this is, you will not have a slippery on the bottom, and then you will not, definitely the handle grip was so good. Slip spill proof lid, stainless steel non-slip bottle, bottom, and dishwasher safe. Dishwasher safe. So I do have to buy the straw lid for my water. Apa this Excel cruiser. So this is lava lamp. So that's thing, guys. It's really the it's very strong. Yeah, you need to, if you don't want to spill it. Wow, I haven't tried. Later on I will try spill proof lid. They say here, spill proof lid. Right, you can see. I want to buy the 40-ounce size, but no, that's too big for me. That's too big, and that's for the people who use the car. That's not for the people who I mean, like, who don't have the car. I mean, you have yourself a car, but I don't have it, so I'm using my public transportation. So it's better, this cup better, and then can be easily put it in my bag. In all goes to every bag that I have. So I don't buy the 40 size, the stainless size. So I bought this, the 30 size. Okay, that's the review. I only review for the unboxing. So all of them are good. There is no such a thing like dented or something broken. All of them are. This is the, like, I thought will be like kind of orange a bit, because if you saw the photo, it's kind of orange, but the real one is kind of pink. It's kind of pink. It's almost just like the matching style with my water bottle Corkcicle that I bought the first one. So thank you guys, bye bye. This is my review. Okay.